Hey Team Riverside, Brandi here. I'm excited to talk to you a little bit about what we're doing in order to build a vision for our 2022-2023 Hicap program for Team Riverside Elementary and Middle School students. Let me begin by telling you our teachers have been meeting after school on a weekly basis, and we're working from the ground up to build that vision of what it is that we need to make sure that our Hicap students are successful and that we are raising the achievement levels for all students in our district. The work has been exciting. The teachers have brought a lot of energy, and our leadership has dedicated the resources that we need in order to make this happen. So we're really excited to share that with you. This visioning work has been happening over the last several weeks. We've got one meeting left again next week, and then we'll be able to put our final stake in the ground on that vision, and then we're ready to share it with you. So we're going to be sharing it with you over a 2-day event that I am very excited to invite you to. The first is on Tuesday, May 24th, and this will be a Zoom meeting. During this Zoom meeting, we'll be sharing with you the vision that we have for next year for our 2022-2023 pilot program. That'll be a K through 6th grade model. And then the following day, that's kind of the nuts and bolts, we are going to have a meet and greet at Ramfest, and I'm really excited about this. It's going to be a summer fun swap and an opportunity for families to get to know one another, for kids to connect with intellectual peers, and for you to get some summer fun materials for your children. Let me tell you a little bit about that. I know oftentimes, we go out and we purchase all of these different materials for our kids. They go through phases, maybe book series that they're super excited about. Sometimes these kids can read, a book or two a day, and they've outgrown them. Bring those things to Ramfest, not all of them. Bring a selection of those things to Ramfest, and we will have, an area available where you can leave those items, and then you can take a few things home that you think that your children will be interested in. And so if you've got some 5th graders, then you've got some 2nd grade books that you no longer need, we definitely have some 1st and 2nd graders that would like those materials. And that's just the first part of it. Also bring your lawn chairs. Take a look around and find our table. We are going to set up an area where intellectual peers, these kids can get together by grade levels, but also it'll give us an opportunity as parents just to chat and have some real conversations about the joys and challenges of raising gifted kids, and then maybe even have an opportunity to plan some summer get-togethers for your families with kids who might connect based on age and interest levels. So we're looking forward to seeing you at that Zoom meeting on the 24th, and then the following night at Ramfest on the 25th. Please bring your summer fun swap items as well as your lawn chairs. I look forward to seeing all of you, and have a wonderful, wonderful week. See you soon. Bye, everybody.